Hi everyone, this is a collaboration and the title is Plaid Tablescape for fall or winter and is hosted by Tracy at the Holiday Cookie Diva. This was my inspiration, but then I had another inspiration, which was this tier tray, and I decided to just not go with it because it was a little bit too busy. Okay, so sit back and relax and see how I pulled this together. I would like to thank the lovely Tracy from the Holiday Cookie Diva. Check out Wonderful Creators with the playlist link. Please be seated and welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so now. Press that red subscribe button down below. I do weekly home decor and DIY, and of course collaborations. And did you like this fall table escape? Comment down below and let me know. I would like to thank my subscribers, and with that I would like to say thank you, amores. Thank you for all your support and your comments. Okay, we're almost finished. Just a couple more special touches and then we're done.